Everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert. In this video, we're going to talk about being a raw vegan. I'm going to tell you my experiences and talk about the differences between, whole food, plant-based, and vegan. There's so many diets out there, so I just want to clear all this up. So grab your smoothie and come on, let's do it. I have been a raw vegan and went through veganism, went through vegetarian phases. I've been through every diet you can possibly think of, okay? Why? Because I want to be healthy. We all want health and happiness, right? This is very simple. And I want to save you guys from a lot of misinformation out there, okay? Alright guys, let's get into this. I want to talk about the difference between being a raw vegan and whole food plant-based, or vegan, or being fruitarian. There's so many diets out there. We got the ketogenic diet, we got all these fads up and down, and I want to talk about what's real, okay? Think about this. Use your intelligence here, okay? The most natural food on the planet is fruits and vegetables, okay? And this is so important, okay? There's so many fads and trends out there, and I really want you guys to pay attention because this is so important when you really think about it, all right? I myself, okay, got sold on the raw vegan diet many years ago. This is probably 8 years ago. And, I started by cutting out dairy, I cut out wheat, I started isolating what I call trigger foods out of my diet, meaning the foods that were alarming me and causing inflammation, causing my energy to go down instead of my energy to go up, okay? So it took me many years to really figure out which foods were those trigger foods. I'm gonna give you the best advice right now. The top 3 trigger foods are wheat, soy, and corn, okay? If you cut all three of those things out of your diet, boom, right there, you're gonna already have increased energy. So let's get a little bit further into this, guys. Raw veganism, okay, is a trap. I really want you guys to avoid the raw vegan trap, okay? Someone like myself, I got really into health, really into spirituality a long time ago, and you know what? In order to have a clean physical body, you need to have pure living foods. There's no question about that. At the same time saying that, you do not need to go to the extreme of being a raw vegan. Trust me, I'm trying to save you guys from a lot of work and a lot of health issues here, okay? Think about it. There's so many people in the fruitarian and raw vegan community that are not healthy. This should be the first sign to you right here. Look at their body, look at their energy. Don't judge a book by its cover. Really get to know these people, and you will find out that they are just not healthy people, okay? So after many years going down that raw vegan path, I was a fruitarian, I was doing everything, and you know what? I was really doing a disservice to my body. I thought I was doing something so pure and so intentional, and really I was doing something wrong. So that's why I want to make this video, to clear that up for you guys. Yes, pure living foods is the answer. That means fruits, vegetables, organic, local, right? That is the truth here. Now, again, the same time saying that, raw veganism isn't for everybody, and I do not recommend it because you can do a lot of damage, okay? So, take myself for example. I was growing up on the standard American diet. I did a lot of damage to my intestines, my stomachs, from a very high carb and very low nutrient dense diet. Okay, now what am I doing? I just make epic smoothies like this. It's all about nutrient density, okay? Don't fall for that raw vegan trap. You don't need to go to any extremes here, okay? What you really need to do is pay attention to your body. Activate your intuition. This is about spirituality. Activate your intuition by getting in tune with your higher self, okay? That's gonna change everything. Stop listening to social media, stop listening to all those people, and get into your intuition, into your higher self, and get these abilities to make yourself have more energy, okay? This is really important, guys. Again, I want to save you from the raw vegan trap. Many years ago, I fell for that trap. I learned so much, okay? It's a very dogmatic black and white world, and I really want to free you guys from it, okay? If you're new to the raw vegan community or you're getting into pure living foods, that's awesome. Please, I just want you to encourage you guys to meditate, do your yoga practice, get in tune with yourself. That way you don't fall for fads and you don't go through this roller coaster and spring. I know so many vegans and raw vegans and fruitarians out there that are going back to eating meat or dairy or processed foods and all this stuff, and it's so silly. If they would have just stuck with a nice slow steady approach, none of that would have happened, okay? So again, for you guys, please make sure you don't fall for that raw vegan trap. Listen to your intuition, activate the intuition by doing yoga, meditation, getting in tune with a practice that resonates with you. This is huge, guys. I really want to save you from all the effort of going through that dogmatic world, okay? Thank you guys. If you learned anything from watching this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe right here below, and I'll check you later. Blessings.